Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of Calm. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Calm and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.